I'm a scientist, and I like to do science. And it's a gift, really, to be able to do science and have people pay you for it. We want to do things that are unique to the point where we can separate ourselves from our competition with our science, and the science is in the products. That is that much value and that much quality that it becomes a benchmark for an industry. It's very important to our customers and certainly the surgeons that use our products. Innovation and the science that supports it is so important to me personally and to the company's goals. And it takes a lot of money and time to create products through science, not necessarily create a product through a new image or new buzzwords. So that's a fundamentally tough commitment to meet for a small company, is to grow your company off of original science. When I first started the company, we only had one goal and one product in mind, and that was to make an extremely high purity monomer for the contact lens industry. And with that, we were able to give the big contact lens manufacturers exactly what they wanted. You tell me what you want, and that's what you got. And you got it every time, every month, as many tons as you want. And that's the foundation. And we have used that technology and expanded on that technology in the IOL business. You put all those things together with 10 or 15 years of research, and you end up with the ability to make extremely large batches of intraocular lens material, and every blank's identical. We realized that the unit of measure in contact lenses was 1/100th of a millimeter. Well, we're grinding all of our blanks to microns. Okay, 1 micron is 1/10 of 100th of a millimeter. Once we learned how to grind our blanks to those kind of tolerances, there was no physical variability to the blank anymore for our customers, and that was a big advantage. A lot of customers give us things to work on that are really worth solving. Natural yellow came from the customer demand. I started looking at all the literature on the human eye. I thought there must be something there that nature uses to protect the retina already, and that would be the ideal to see what that is. And sure enough, there's a compound that's in the human eye, and it is the material that nature has developed to protect our retina, and to protect the retina of all mammals from energetic light. It's like sitting there waiting for me. I said, oh my gosh, that's not, I could make that molecule. It's not going to be easy. So immediately when I saw that, I went out and started the project of paying a huge amount of money to make a small amount. I mean, I couldn't go fast enough. I was ecstatic that there was such an answer that wasn't too complicated. So 6 months later, I had a tiny little sample and compared it to the published spectrum for a young human lens. Identical. God, it was great. That was really fun. And it's the right kind of answer. It's the way we should approach these problems, you know? What's interesting is all this ILM, integrated lens manufacturing technology, is very complicated for a typical manufacturer, very expensive. There's a lot of software, a lot of IP, a lot of sophisticated equipment you've got to maintain and calibrate. So it's daunting for a lot of small manufacturers to invest that heavily and maintain something that sophisticated. So that's where IOL 25 Universal Blank comes in. The Universal Blank has built into it every single thing in ILM and then some. The IOL Universal Blank is a molded disc that has been cast molded with high precision optics. This is like the top of the pyramid right today. This is the top of a pyramid of technology that Benz has developed over the course of the last 20 years. This level of quality would not be possible. This level of technology would not be possible without the monomer piece, the polymer piece, the ILM piece, all those pieces rolled into one, and then you stick natural yellow in there. And all that adds up to a lot of important value in that product. And it's all interconnected. It's all supporting, one supporting the next, is supporting the next, is supporting the next. It's really interesting to see how interconnected it all really is. Innovation expands your market, brings customers. Quality holds your customer. If your quality wavers, your customer's going to waver. If you want to attract new customers and new products from your existing customers, then create innovation. Then they can utilize that innovation to create new products for themselves. I'm applying science to a business of IOL manufacturing and contact lens materials. Being able to sell products to my customers is the vehicle so that I can keep doing science, which I love to do.